People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People of 7 on Twitter and YouTube, People of elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com. And my t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.tmail.com. And it's 7:50. I've had breakfast, dinner. We had a lovely meal of macaroni and cheese and hamburger and some vegetables on the side. In their case, they had carrots. In my case, I had a salad. And now it's time to peek in the oven to see what we have. Look at there. They've all risen except for this one on the end here. And we could give that some more time or not. I added a little bit of oil on top so that way when it expanded it didn't split or crack or anything like that. Because, well, bread can be unpredictable. Yeah. So in the meantime, let's do that. Now I'm going to turn the oven on 450. No, wait a minute. It's 425. And hit preheat. Even though it was already in the oven, I could literally just turn it on, but then the temperature gets sporadic while it's rising for baking temperature, so it's best to preheat, let it get hot, and then pop it into the oven that way. In the meantime, there's one thing I do when I'm making bread before I bake it. Just want to give it a nice light coating of oil. That way, like I said, when it's rising, you don't have to worry about your loaf splitting. But you want to give it a very, very, very light, because you don't want, you know, your dough floating around in a bunch of oil either, you know. And I used a round knife to poke the little holes in, so the one has like a crater looking thing going on there. Yeah. Now, the reason I got the molds that have the cover is because the 10 minutes that this is going to take to preheat, I still want it to be rising, even if it's in a temporary type format, which means I'm going to need this to come off of here. Man, that's just stubborn. Okay, there we go. So, wait a minute. Okay. Supposed to be 3 of them, so basically, even though it was very thin, there's 2 there. Yeah. So that's just gonna fit nicely on top there. And then while we're waiting for the preheating to get finished, I'm just going to put it right here. And give that 10-20 minutes. So then when that beeps, I'm just going to stick it directly in the oven without the little tops on it. And it'll be ready to go after 30 minutes, maybe longer. I have never really stopped to do the clock thing. It's just, smells like it's done, and I go in there and I take it out or whatever. But yeah, it might be important to actually note the time. So I'm guessing it's 30 to 35 minutes, might be 40. I'll bring you back to let you know when that happens. Anyway, this has been People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com. And my t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.tmail.com. Y'all stay blessed, stay tuned. Bye now.